In this video, I am going to solve this question number 5 of chapter 8 from this book Engineering Circuit Analysis by Hayt, Kemmerly and Durning. So the question is very simple. Over here we just need to determine the characteristic equation of the following differential equation. So basically it is a mathematical question, but since this type of we need to determine the characteristic equation to solve these circuits, so it is one of the reason that this question is given in this book. So the first question, the first part A, simply we can write this as 5v plus 14 dv by dt is equals to 0. Now to convert the differential equation into the characteristic equation, simply we need to represent this d by dt with say s. So let s is equals to this. Over here s is just a variable, so simply we need to represent d by dt with some variable. It may be s or it may be something else. Usually we take it as s, right? So in electrical circuits, we usually take it as s, right? So over here, if I substitute this d by dt with s, so this equation will be 5v plus 14, and now this dv by dt, this d by dt, it will be replaced with sv, right? So it is 0. If I take vs common, so it is 5 plus 14s. So this is the answer to the first part of question, which is A. Now similarly, if you look at part B, the part B is like it is minus 9 di by dt minus 18i equal to 0. Now again replacing this d by dt with s, so we will get minus 9 si plus 89, right? So taking, like if I take this 9i as common, so s minus 2 equals to 0. So this is our characteristic equation and the answer to part B. Now coming to C part, now it is di by dt plus 89 plus r by b I equal to 0. Now again converting this, substituting this d by dt with s, I will get si plus 18i plus r by b I equal to 0. And again taking this I as common, so I will get s plus 18 plus r by b equal to 0. So this s plus 18 plus r by b, it is equal to 0. So this is the characteristic equation. Remember over here also we need to remove this common. So removing this, you will get s minus 2 equals to 0. So this is our characteristic equation. Over here also in this, removing, like if you remove this v, then this 5 plus 14s equal to 0. It is the characteristic equation, right? And now for D part, it is d2f by dt square plus 8 df by dt plus 2f equal to 0. And now again over here it is square, d square f by dt square, so it will be replaced with s square, f plus 8fs plus 2f equal to 0. Taking f as common, we will get s square plus 8s plus 2 equal to 0. So this s square plus 8s plus 2 equal to 0, it is the characteristic equation for part D. So this, it means that our to get the characteristic equation, simply we need to replace this d by dt with s, and once we get the equation in terms of s, then we need to take the common out, and whatever is left in terms of s, that will be the characteristic equation. Like for a it is this, for b it is this, for c it is this, and for d it is this. So if you have any doubt, you can put it in a comment box. Do subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.